Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. In today's lesson, move to the combination of two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Separate sentences, combined sentences. By using a participle as number 1, A. The mouse ran away. It saw the cat coming. Seeing the cat coming, the mouse ran away. He took tea. He went to school. Having taken tea, he went to school. He was afraid of the lion. He ran away. Being afraid of the lion, he ran away. Next, by using an absolute phrases as the sun set, the darkness spread. The sun having set, the darkness spread. The teacher entered the room. The boys stood up. The teacher having entered the room, the boys stood up. The train arrived. The passengers got into it. The train having arrived, the passengers got into it. By using a preposition with nouns or gerunds as well. He had them his advice. He helped them liberally. Besides giving them advice, he helped them liberally. He received the news of his success. He was glad. On hearing the news of his success, he was glad. I reached the station. The train had not yet arrived. I reached the station before the arrival of the train. He has 2 sons. He must get them employed. He has 2 sons to get them employed. He had no pen. He could not write. He had no pen to write with. Next, by using nouns or phrases in apposition as Iqbal became an officer. This was a happy news for me. Iqbal became an officer, a happy news for me. Akbar was a great king. He commanded great respect. Akbar, a great king, commanded great respect. My brother is Afzal. He lives in the other street. Afzal, my brother, lives in the other street. Next, by using an adverb or adverb phrase. The mouse cut the rope of the net. The mouse cut the ropes of the net slowly. He left the school. He did so of his own accord. He left the school willingly. He won the scholarship. It was fortunate. Fortunately, he won the scholarship. Combination of 2 or more simple sentences into one compound sentence by using some cumulative. Cumulative means gradually increasing in amount, force, etc. by one addition after another. By using some cumulative conjunction as separate sentences, combined sentences. Number 1, separate sentences. I passed the examination. I won scholarship. Not only did I pass the examination, but also won scholarship. Next, my friend is a good player. He is a good student. My friend is a good player as well as a good student. The farmer has a horse. He has a cow. The farmer has a horse and also a cow. I met your brother. He gave me your camera. I met your brother who gave me your camera. He will come tomorrow. We will have a talk. He will come tomorrow when we will have a talk. By using some alternative conjunction as, number 1, the boy may be dull. He may be lazy. The boy may be either dull or lazy. Do not tell a lie. You will be punished. Do not tell a lie or you will be punished. He's not guilty. I'm not guilty. Neither he nor I am guilty. Next, by using some adversative conjunction as he's poor, he's neatly dressed. He's poor, but is still he is neatly dressed. He laughs, you weep. He laughs, whereas you weep. She is weak. She works. She is weak. Nevertheless, she works. By using some relative conjunction, relative means related to a consequence. Number 1, he was late, he was punished. He was late, therefore he was punished. It is time to go, let us start. It is time to go, so let us start. He climbed up a tree. He was afraid of the lion. He climbed up a tree, for he was afraid of the lion. By combining the above processes, he is diligent, he is intelligent, he is naughty, he is mischievous, he is punished by his teacher. He is diligent and intelligent, but naughty and mischievous, and hence he is punished by his teacher. The cat is meek, the cat is silent, the cat is sly, the cat is cruel, the mouse runs away at its sight. The cat is meek and silent, but sly and cruel, and hence the mouse runs away at its sight. So, that's all for today. See you next time.